Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have an Elektra La Deliciosa espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to replace just the water pump. We also had to get rid of a clog because unfortunately this thing was getting clogged and it was not pushing water through the whole thing. With and we have to remove the clog around the group head. No water was coming out through here after replacing the water pump. We were able to get some water flow and we use the whole machine. Also, the panel was not connected correctly. We reconnected, we wired it correctly, and now every single button works. So we're gonna test it out, starting with one shot of espresso. I have not calibrated any of these buttons. So I'm just gonna be pressing the manual one. Probably I need to tamper a little bit more harder for this shot to be perfect. Alright, about 2 ounces, which is here. Perfect. Like I said, I should have tempered a little bit more or put a little bit more coffee in there to have an extra layer of crema instead of this. Alright, and for the hot water, working perfectly fine. Steamer, having excellent pressure, working perfectly. And like I say, all of them work. And there you have it, Elektra Deliciosa working once again. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day. And thanks for watching.